Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have an M22 male snow foam bottle. This is the 700ml bottle. It's got the male screw thread M22 connector on it, which is the same as the Karcher fitting. You'll tend to find these on a lot of high pressure trigger guns. It's pretty much the industry standard. It's got a brass coupling on. It's a 700ml bottle, so you can just unclip it, pop your snow foam detergent in there. There is a little filter on the bottom as well, detergent pipe going up into the head. Push and twist that back on. It's got a variable adjustable nozzle on the end, so you can twist the end of the nozzle, so you can change the direction of the nozzle from a straightforward nozzle to a wide fan jet as well if you prefer. And there's an adjustment valve on the top, this yellow valve here, that allows you to twist and alter the volume of snow foam that's going to come out of the nozzle. So that's the M22 male screw thread 700ml snow foam bottle.